In this video, I'll show you how to use filters in Microsoft Planner to organize your tasks and find exactly what you need in seconds. First, open your Microsoft Planner board. Look for the filter button at the top of your board view. It looks like a funnel icon. Click on it to open the filter panel. You'll see several filter categories: by due date, filter by overture, task due today, this week, or custom date ranges. Essential for deadline management. By priority. Focus on urgent, important, medium, or low priority tasks to tackle what matters most first. By progress. Show only tasks that are not started, in progress, or completed. Great for daily stands up or sprint reviews. You can combine multiple filters for laser focused results. For example, show only urgent priority tasks assigned to John that are due this week. To clear filters quickly, clear all filters at the bottom of the filter panel. Filters transfer Microsoft Planner from a simple task board into a powerful project management tool. Start using these filters today to stay organized and never miss important deadlines again.